Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute and aesthetic ghost pillow, which is perfect for the Halloween season. For the materials, you'll need a pillow cover, macrame rope, fabric glue, a ruler, scissors, and a permanent marker. First, cut your macrame rope to the sizes you'll need. I ended up wanting 10 ghosts with 6 layers. My rope sizes went down 1/4 inch per cut, starting at 5 inches. Then I mapped out where I wanted my ghosts, starting with the smallest pieces. I decided to do a 3-2 pattern with 4 rows. Then I glued down the smallest pieces. These are the only pieces that will be touching each other. After that, glue around that first piece and wrap the next shortest piece around it. Continue doing this until the rope runs out. Then take your permanent marker and draw eyes and a mouth. This part is optional, but I decided to somewhat fray the bottom edge to make it look like the bottom of a ghost. And that's it! This was so easy to do, and my husband even thought it was store-bought. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.